Hey, what's up everyone? Today we will be opening up more packs in Pokemon TCG Pocket. And today we'll be opening up the free pack we currently have, which will choose the Mewtwo one. Yes, I know I can open up a booster pack. Now we wait for it to allow me to open it. And we get Blitzel, Articuno EX, that's pretty cool. Shelter, Golett, Haunter, and that's the end of the pack. And that's not the only one for the video, because we'll be using all of the pack hourglass things I have. Now it registers to the Pokédex or card decks. I'm not sure what to call this. And we'll switch up the pack by going to Charizard. Yes, so I'll open the pack. I have 89 of the pack hourglass things currently. This pack, if it opens, we get Doduo, Charmeleon, Minccino, Clobopus, Blaine, and that's it. We'll go ahead and open another Charizard pack after this. Waiting for it to register. Opening the next pack. Then while it's registering cards, you may see cards that haven't been in previous videos. But that's because when a new pack is able to open, I've been recording small clips of it, but I haven't uploaded any of them yet. All of them won't have sound just because I'm quickly screen recording them. So I'll just put them all together in one video and then upload it. So sorry that it won't have any sound, but it'll show all the hopefully cool pulls I get. And I'm hoping I can do this video all in one take so I don't have so many mess ups like I have in the first two videos. And this, yes, the second one will be coming soon here. Should be uploaded by now. We'll switch to this Pikachu packs now, not the second pack. This will be the third one. Now, what will Pikachu want to give to me out of the pack? Clefable, Goldeen, Raticate, Swoobat, and Cinescorch. We're almost to 100 cards collected in this game. I feel like I barely opened any packs. But we'll continue with the Pikachu packs. And then we'll probably go back to the Mewtwo packs to finish off the opening. We get Minfu, Double, Wigglytuff, Lieutenant Surge, and a Wigglytuff EX. We got two Wigglytuffs in that pack, but luckily one was an EX and really cool looking. I know I say that a lot, but in the regular card game and in this, X's and full arts are just really cool looking to me. And it looks like Wigglytuff is popping out the card when I do this. Now once this is all done with, we'll head to the Mewtwo packs. And by the looks of it, we can open 2 of these, I believe. So it should be the free pack and then 2 of each pack open this video. You got Giovanni, Krabby, Doduo, Pidgey, and a really cool Cubone. That is really cool. It looks like he's howling at the moon. And we get a little fun fact about Tentacruel. Register these to the decks or card collection. Like I said, I don't know what to really call this yet. And then we'll open the last pack. We might have another one able to be open. I'm not sure. I might have miscounted. Ghastly, Slowpoke, Sandslash, Eevee, and Beedrill. And is this the end of it, or can I open one more? After, of course, it registers everything. And we are able to open one more, so I'll continue with the Mewtwo packs. We got Rhyhorn, Cloyster, Ekans, Slowpoke, and Aerodactyl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pack opening video on Pokemon TCG Pocket, and hopefully, since this is one continuous recording, I won't have so many editing glitches, I think, because in the past 2 times of editing videos for this game, I've had it constantly stop in random spots on Power Director to where I have to delete like a second or 2 of footage, and then the video is good after that. So hopefully I don't have to continue that in all the videos, and looks like we leveled up to level 4. So yeah, hopefully I don't have to continue that in all the videos and they get better cuts. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.